Hi, my name is Dr. Hemang Sanghavi. I am a board certified plastic surgeon. I grew up in Mumbai, did my UG from ACPM Medical College Dhule. I did my post graduation from Calcutta, after which I worked for a few years in Kokilabha and Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, Mumbai. I did my super specialization from Bangalore Medical College, where I finished my training of plastic surgery for 3 years. After that, I joined as a consultant plastic surgeon in Jubilee Mission Medical College, Kerala. In my practice, I see a wide variety of patients, starting from cosmetic surgery, trauma, burns, hand surgery, leg defects, diabetic foot, to complex cases where microsurgery is needed. Free flaps, replantation, leg defects, head and neck onco reconstruction are few of them. Also, I perform various non-surgical cosmetic procedures like Botox, chemical peels, lasers, etc. For each patient, I take an individual approach by taking proper history, clinical examination and diagnostic imaging and fine-tune it and discuss what is best for my patient. My special interest is gynecomastia, tummy tuck, liposuction, breast surgery, rhinoplasty and trauma cases where reconstruction is needed. Thank you.